When it comes to real estate investing, one of the biggest debates is whether short-term rentals like Airbnb or long-term rentals generate more income. Both strategies have their pros and cons, and today, we're going to dive into the numbers, the effort involved, and which one might be the right fit for you. Let's start with income potential. Airbnb rentals often generate significantly higher monthly income compared to long-term rentals. A property that rents for $1,500 a month on a traditional lease might bring in $3,000 or more as a short-term rental, especially in tourist-heavy areas. The flexibility to adjust pricing for high-demand seasons or events can further increase earnings. However, don't forget the added costs of furnishing the property, utilities, and Airbnb's service fees. On the other hand, long-term rentals provide steady, predictable income. With a signed lease, you know exactly how much rent you'll receive each month, and you don't have to worry about fluctuating demand or occupancy rates. This stability can be especially appealing if you're looking for a lower-risk, hands-off investment. Now, let's talk about effort. Managing an Airbnb is like running a small business. You'll need to handle bookings, cleanings, guest communication, and maintenance. While you can hire a property manager, that adds to your expenses. Long-term rentals, in contrast, are more passive. Once you've secured a tenant, your involvement is minimal, aside from occasional maintenance or lease renewals. Location plays a big role, too. Airbnbs tend to perform best in tourist-heavy destinations, near event venues, or in urban areas with a steady flow of visitors. Long-term rentals, however, are more versatile and can succeed in nearly any market with stable demand for housing. Another consideration is regulations. Many cities are cracking down on short-term rentals, imposing restrictions or requiring costly permits. If your area has strict Airbnb laws, the risks might outweigh the rewards. Long-term rentals face fewer regulatory challenges, making them a safer bet in some locations. Taxes and expenses also differ. Airbnb income may be subject to occupancy taxes, and you'll have higher costs for cleaning, repairs, and restocking supplies. With long-term rentals, your expenses are generally limited to maintenance and property management fees, making it easier to budget. In the long term, the best choice depends on your goals. If you're aiming for maximum income and don't mind a hands-on approach, Airbnb might be your best bet. But if you value stability and want a low-maintenance investment, long-term rentals could be the better option. Ultimately, the decision comes down to your location, resources, and personal preferences. Both Airbnb and long-term rentals can be profitable if done right. Do your research, run the numbers, and choose the strategy that aligns with your goals. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more real estate insights, and share it with someone weighing their rental options. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.